Hey everybody, it's just Brad here, and welcome to Depart, which is a horror game. Pretty popular right now, so we thought we'd jump on the train and actually give it a shot. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right into it. The sensitivity is really bad, so let's change that real fast. It's better. Might be a little bit too high, but yeah. Oh, that is bright. Oh my god. I'm already scared to go around this corner. What's that tell you? I'm a baby at horror games. Oh my gosh. This is already scary as crap. What the hell? Man, playing a game versus actually just watching somebody play is so different. The experience is just so freaking different. Press E. Oh, yay. That's great. That's so good. We got light. No. The dripping scared me. Okay. Alright. We're gonna be a little bitch. It's so good when the lights come on like that. Man. Little Pixar lamp. I keep trying to interact with stuff, but I can't. Shoot. What? Oh, hello? Don't be playing that freaking music, man. Oh.
Hi.
There's a gun. How do we get the gun? Can I has gun? Mr. Alien Man? How do I get the gun? Oh. Something to do with this. I'm assuming. Is this raising the gate? Yes. Oh, pitch black. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, man. Please pick up the gun. How'd I pick it up? Okay. Springfield Armory, USA. Yep, that's a gun. Whoa. Whoa, that's trippy. Look at that. Man, I don't know how many of you have actually played this game, but my gosh, you gotta try this. That's kind of weirding me out. The movement and stuff. It's very zippy. You don't actually turn until the gun reaches the side of your screen. Jeez. Okay. I guess I'm supposed to shoot this. I did it. Oh god. Okay. I don't want none of this shit. Are you kidding me? Hey. Oh shit! I jumped so hard. Oh god. I'm sure you could tell by the the movement. I think I pissed. Oh god. I think I peed. Man, I'm so flush right now. And I just barely started. This does not bode well for me. Okay. Can I go through door? I cannot. I would just like to not. Hello? Whose heart is beating like that? Is that mine? I'm gonna need to get that checked out. Actually, you know what? That's kind of what mine sounds like right now. My heart's beating really loud. And my butt cheeks are completely clenched. Oh god, no, dude, what is that? Why is it getting narrow? My vision. I already know I'm gonna die. Because I'm gonna jerk so hard. It's so dude, it's dark. What it? You bitch. I saw you. Oh, come on. You can't make me walk over here. He was here. Was he here or here? Don't do this to me. Oh no. Oh god. I'm sure my bitching is like adding so much to this horror game's tension. Oh, this feels terrible. It's so dark. It's so dark. Oh, you... Wait, is that a guy? Or is that a doll? Okay, that was pretty good. That made my my chest gets so tight. That's pretty good so far. I'm pleasantly surprised. But you know what? I think this is the most popular game on itch.io right now. Where are we going now? The light's gonna go out right now. Nope. Oh, do I have to go down? Okay, I thought I saw somebody. Do I have to go down here? It's too dark. No, I needed a light. Was I supposed to grab the light back there? Let me head back and see. Can I get this light? Oh, I'm assuming I can. Yeah, there's just no interact button. Hey, I feel better though. At least I can actually see. Let's get down here. Oh! What the hell? I didn't jerk that hard. It was so loud. That startled me more just because of the sound. Hello? It doesn't look like we have ammo limit. Oh, saving. That's always good. What could go wrong when something saves? I'm safe, right? It just saved. It's not like I'm gonna die. Am I gonna get stuck on that now because I knocked it over like an idiot? Yep. Cool, I'll just push it forward. It's me and you now, Beryl. Beryl, no! Okay, I'll just leave you behind. Hey, guys. I think I'm supposed to go this way. I feel like I hear breathing. Is it just me? Shoot. Oh, by the way, we're going this way because the thing said clearly we're supposed to go that way, and we don't listen to no video game. We do what we want. There's probably secret scares back here. See? Huh? Look at that. Huh? What? What is that? Ooh. Ooh. Why was my light going out? And I know I didn't scream or nothing, but my God. My heart stopped again. Oh God. It is really loud. The screaming is crazy loud. Those dudes are just unbelievably loud. I am glad I turned the volume down a little bit. This way. I'm not sure why I needed those keys. What did this even do? That sort of raised it? We can't raise it anymore. What was the point of that, huh? What was the point of that? Oh. Is it this? Yep. Again. No interacting. It's actually kind of nice, you know? Kind of keeps you a little bit immersed. Oh, God. Well, we killed the bad guy, so clearly that was the only guy. Oh, shit. every time I'm gonna go through.
What's up, baby?
You. Oh my god. Look. What is that shit? That is horrifying. That is so awful. Dude, I just want to close the door. And I can't. Something's gonna come up behind me. I can feel it. Whoever designed that mask, good job, because that is the worst thing I've ever seen. You know there's gonna be a guy over here. Where are you? Okay, wait. I hear walking. I hear walking. Oh my god, why? Why depart? Oh my gosh. Okay, you're definitely open, right? Okay. Don't start moaning now. Or whatever that sound is that you're making. You guys have no freaking clue. I'm tight. Hello. Where are you? It sounds like it's behind me. Ooh. Oh man, he's got a lot of health. Please, no. No. What the hell? No! Oh my god, they weren't kidding. At the beginning it said, when you download this game that they will kill you in a hit. They weren't kidding. They touch you, you're dead. I'd like to retry. Can I retry? There we go. We're back. It just took a minute to reload. But we know what's coming. Those... Okay, no, this is not the same. Oh my god. Is it random? Dude. Oh my god, he's got the mask on too. Dude, I was just so scared I didn't even notice. Okay, well, he wasn't here before. So, but there's another one, right? There was another guy in here. Oh, we're taking damage. Run. Oh my god, run. Run. We can't get out. Oh, we can't get out. How do we get away from that? Oh my god. Oh no. We're gonna die a lot to this, aren't we? Okay, are you still here? You're not here. He was here last time. Okay. I wonder if headshots will do more. Man, shooting is so difficult in this. Why are we taking damage? It looks like it does. We're definitely taking damage though. It does. They do more damage. Okay, we just have to be calm. What the fuck? Dude. Okay. There was a third. That's good. That was so good. I almost died to that. Because I let my guard down. That's fine. We live though. It's not bad. And this is a very unique gameplay style. Like having to aim like this. It's very difficult. It's so weird not having like an actual crosshair. I'm so not used to anything like that. Let's see if we can loot anything off them. Yeah, boy. Oh. What? I feel like there's one behind us. How come you're taking so many hits? What? Wait. He's doing a Thriller dance. This is Thriller. Okay, maybe he's invincible. What the hell? Okay, he's not. I'm sorry, Michael Jackson. Oh, good. That was really short, but that was actually really good. I enjoyed that. I can actually breathe now. Man, that was terrifying. Except for the end. I mean, I guess it was probably scary to some people for other reasons. But anyways, that was Depart. That was really good. I enjoyed that. It was definitely terrifying. I don't normally do good with horror games anyways, but that had me on edge the whole time. It was very short, but it's because it's just a concept so far, it seems. Hopefully they continue with it and they make a full game. I'd definitely like to play that, even though I know it would scare the shit out of me. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.